Factor 15 plus 18. So first we need to find the greatest common factor between 15 and 18. So let's make a list of all of the numbers that they can be divided by. 15 can be divided by 1, 3, 5, and 15. 18 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So the greatest common factor between them is 3. So we have to put the greatest common factor outside a set of parentheses, and then we have to divide each term by the greatest common factor. 15 divided by 3 gives us 5, plus 18 divided by 3 gives us 6. So this is the factored form of 15 plus 18. Factor 12x plus 8y. So first we need to find the greatest common factor between 12 and 18. So 12 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. 8 can be divided by 1, 2, 4, and 8. So their greatest common factor is 4. So we need to put the greatest common factor outside a set of parentheses, and we need to divide each term by the greatest common factor. So 12x divided by 4 equals 3x, plus 8y divided by 4 equals 2y. So this whole expression is the factored form of 12x plus 8y.